Hello everyone, this is Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today I'm going to talk about Pentens T-200H, UV resistant elastomeric waterproofing coating. Wait, I think I've watched the video before. No you didn't? Yes I did. Are you getting confused? Let me explain further. This is Pentens T-200H and this is Pentens T-200. Two different waterproofing products. Pentens T-200H is designed using water-based polyurethane and acrylic polymer, which dramatically reduces solar heat absorptions and temperatures. Another definition, Pentens T-200H is a one-part elastomeric cross-linking latex copolymer emulsion designed as exposed waterproofing coating. What are the uses of Pentens T-200H? RC, reinforced concrete, planter boxes and gutters, flat roof, floor slab, external wall, metal roof, concrete structures and many others. What are the advantages of using Pentens T-200H? Upgraded resin using modified polyurethane and acrylic for extra durability. 5 times elongation with more than 515%. UV resistant with SRI or solar reflex index more than 86%. Water-based, environmental friendly, easy to apply, non-toxic and many other advantages. You may refer to this under its product datasheet. Having these two products together side by side is definitely very difficult for you to differentiate them. Let me show you the comparison between these two products in terms of technical and physical data. Let's start off with packaging size. For T200, available in 1.5 kg, 5 kg and 20 kg. For T200H, available in 4.5 kg and 20 kg. For colors, both having the same color options, grey, white and green, except additional light grey color available for Pentens T200H. Base resin is very important in determining the quality of waterproofing coating. T200 is using acrylic base, while T200H is using a mixture of modified polyurethane and acrylic. This might be part of the reason why the density of T200H is lower, 1.1 kg per liter as compared to 1.3 kg per liter of T200, while the solid content with a difference of 5%. Do you still remember what is elongation? Forgot? Elongation is the ability of the membrane to stretch, measured in percentages. For example, an elongation of 150% means that the membrane can be stretched up to 1.5 times when pulled. Do you still remember that I have mentioned before that elongation works oppositely against the tensile strength? The higher the elongation, the lower the tensile strength. For a good waterproofing product, manufacturers always need to find a balance between these two. Now, back to our waterproofing products. T200 has elongation of 197.4% with a tensile strength of 3.5 Newton per millimeter square. Now, listen carefully. Pentens T200H has elongations of more than 515% with a tensile strength of more than 3.92 Newton per millimeter square, which is higher. How surprisingly? In terms of reflectance or effectiveness in reflecting radiant energy, there is no direct comparison. Pentens T200H emphasizes on SRI or solar reflect index with more than 86%. For your information, for a cool roof performance, it must have a minimum value of 0.65 or 65%. For application temperature, we are looking at 5 to 50 degrees Celsius for T200, 5 to 40 degrees Celsius for T200H. Surface temperature, 5 to 100 degrees Celsius for T200, 0 to 80 degrees Celsius for 200H. The application for both Pentens T200 and T200H are very much the same. Minimum 2 coatings with an application rate of 0.5 kg per meter square. However, application surface, for example, surface crack lines or damages, pores and craters may increase the quantity required. Do you know that most of the waterproofing system fail at the preparation and application stage? So how? Let me show you how to do it correctly. For surface preparation, it is important to make sure that the application surface is clean, free from any dirt or contaminants. You may also use a wet cloth to dampen the surface. For application, apply one layer of Pentens T-007 cement modifier as waterproofing primer. Dilute the primer with 3 parts of clean water. I'm using a roller for this application. You may choose using brush or spray equipment. Apply the waterproofing primer at the rate of 0.2 kg per meter square. Apply the first coat of Pentens T-200H in one direction. Leave to cure for approximately 2 to 8 hours before recoating. It is recommended to apply minimum 2 coats of Pentens T-200H. Apply the second coat of Pentens T-200H at right angles to the first, just like this. Applying the third coating of Pentens T-200H. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope that all of you have a better understanding on Pentens T-200H, the extra advantages, application and comparison to Pentens T-200. A special mention to my YouTube friend Mr. Alan Pereira for sharing with me the knowledge and experience on waterproofing coating. Thank you bro! Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Bye bye for now.